Mr. Paul, the pacemaker insertion was a success. The device is now functioning properly and regulating your heart rhythm.
That's great news, Dr. Mihira. I'm feeling much better already.
It's important to follow some precautions to ensure the optimal functioning of your pacemaker. Avoid strong magnetic fields, as they can interfere with the device. Also, inform your doctor about any new symptoms or changes in your condition.
Will I need to get regular checkups?
Yes, you'll need to schedule regular follow-up appointments with your cardiologist. We'll monitor the pacemaker's function and make any necessary adjustments.
I'm concerned about the battery life of the pacemaker. How long will it last?
Pacemaker batteries typically last around 5 to 10 years. When the battery starts to wear out, we'll need to replace it. The procedure is usually less invasive than the initial implantation.
I'm also worried about the risks associated with a pacemaker.
While the risks are minimal, it's important to be aware of potential complications, such as infection, bleeding, or device malfunction. However, with proper care and regular follow-ups, these risks are significantly reduced.
Mihira, I know that how you feel about your body is something that can take up a lot of mental energy, but I want to share something truly important. Focusing on creating a healthy body image is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. It's not just about how you look. It's about how you feel and function every day. When you shift your focus from constant self-criticism to self-acceptance, your mental well-being significantly improves, reducing stress and boosting your mood. This positive shift also translates into increased energy and better self-confidence, making you feel ready to take on challenges. Furthermore, feeling good about yourself can actually help you concentrate better, allowing you to achieve more, whether that's at work or in life generally. Embracing yourself just as you are frees up immense emotional and mental space. If you'd like to continue discussing this or need more strategies, I'd be happy to schedule another appointment for ongoing support, or I can connect you with a professional counselor who specializes in this area.